Hey guys, it's been since January the 1st, and we're doing good. Everything's fine. Rains a lot, or has been raining a lot. It's been a very mild winter, but so much rain out here at the little homestead area that we've got. We've got everything going now for the house. Been working on tractor sheds and the gardens and everything else, but like I say, it's been so wet that it's hard to do. But I wanted to let everybody know, I get messages from people wanting to know why it's been 3 months since I made a video, so I'm going to try to touch base on this. Those of you that are video creators that come on to YouTube know that about 4 months ago it got pretty crazy with YouTube on marking videos that were not suitable for advertising. And it was all generated by computers, and they finally got that straightened out to where they do it by actual human beings now. But this was what happened. I got a message from somebody about one of my videos, where the guy's comment was, "Wow, this is a great video. I can't believe it's got 67,000 views and it's not monetized." And I'm like, "What do you mean it's not monetized?" So I go look. I didn't say anything to him. I go look. And by George, he's right. It wasn't monetized. And I got to look in some more. This video right here you're seeing now should be my 445th video that I have public. Okay, so I go back and I look through my videos, and I end up counting 224 videos that have been unmonetized by YouTube. Not by me, by YouTube. And I never noticed. You'd think I would have noticed when I got my check each month, but I didn't. I have it deposited directly into an account. I didn't think much about it. I didn't check it every month. And so when this happened, so I go back and I look at my AdSense. And my AdSense, if you know, $100, it has to be $100 minimum before they even send you a check. Well, mine was locked at $65.11 for January. February, it was still $65.11, you know. And then March, and I'm like, that thing's not moving at all. It hit $65 or something, and it just stopped. And it's because they had unmonetized all my videos. It took me 4.5 hours to go back through all those videos, remonetize them, make sure all the settings were set right, get them back the way they were, and then I watched, and I waited, and I watched. Sure enough, after about 3 weeks, I went back, and 3 or 4 or 5 of those had been unmonetized again. And I'm thinking, I haven't been hacked. I know I haven't been hacked. So why are they doing this? I said, I'm not going to make another video until they at least pay me something. And because it's not that I'm making a living. Like I say, I didn't even notice that it was missing, or it wasn't there. I didn't notice that. It's just the ideal of it. If they say these are the rules and you follow these rules, then they owe me the money. I went through it all. I sat back and waited, and sure enough, I got paid. All right, and it's right back to like it was. It's back to normal. And it just kind of frustrated me. I mean, it really did frustrate me that I think I'm doing all this and doing it the way they say do it. I'm following the rules. If I do this, then we'll do that. That's what they said. Well, I did what I was supposed to do. And for some reason, I think about how much I lost in that 3 months' time. And then I think about how it would be for thousands of other people that they've done the same thing to that don't know and should have checked. I should have checked. I didn't do it. But that's because, like I say, the revenue for me is not that much. Actually, what I do with the revenue is I buy camera equipment. That's all I've ever done is buy camera equipment and stuff that I can use in my videos, or to make my videos. I bought, software, and I've bought 2 Canon DSLR cameras. I bought several lenses, tripods, lighting, and only to improve my videos. And of course, now I'm sitting here with a small GoPro doing this one, not using any of that equipment, but there's times that I do. And I do photography on the side. I do a little bit of that, and shoot rodeos and stuff like that. But anyway, that's what happened. And that's the reason I've been gone. And it has been wet and rainy. Too muddy to really do anything on a video, except watch me stomp through the mud. And so I hope you guys understand. Please check your videos. Go into your video manager and double check. It is easy to do. Just go back to the farthest ones and just start rolling through the screens and going through the pages, and you'll see, because that indicator will pop up over the side that thing's not monetized. And because it may happen to you. Thanks for watching, guys.